Are you eating Nana's pancakes? Pancakes?
Mama.
No.
Nana.
Yeah.
Nana.
The dog?
Yeah.
Okay, eat your pancakes.
Mama. Mama.
No more.
More.
No, he already had cookies. Eat your pancakes.
No.
He already had pancakes. Eat your cookies. Eat your pancakes. Do you like those pancakes? Huh? Jade? Do you like the pancakes?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Eat. Are you hungry? Do you have to go potty?
Mama.
Oh yeah, Papa's going. Maybe, yeah, I think so, maybe. Is he going? Poop?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa's going poop. And pee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that what he's doing?
Yeah.
Who is that? Papa's sneezing?
Yeah.
Bless you. You can have some milk. Drink some of your milk. Are we going to color eggs today?
Oh.
Did you drop a piece?
No.
Did the dog eat it? He ate it?
Yeah.
Well, you dropped it.
No.
Yeah, you dropped it, so he's going to eat it. Is that good?
Mama. Nana.
Yes?
Yeah.
You want more?
No.
Finish your pancake. That's Papa?
Hey, you eating pancakes? You eating pancakes? They good? Nana know how to fix pancakes? Huh? Does she? Does she? Yeah?